Water leaks are a common risk with any water treatment system, including deionization tanks. Leaks can damage expensive equipment and disrupt your operations, leading to costly downtime. To reduce the chance of water leaks, here are the top 3 precautions you should take. First, shut off the water supply to your DI tanks at night or when not in use. This is important because municipal water pressure often spikes during the night when demand is low. DI systems are not designed for water pressure exceeding 80 psi, and leaks can also occur in freezing conditions or with feed water temperatures above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, consider installing a pressure regulator set below 80 psi before your DI tank system. Just remember, pressure regulators can fail, so regular maintenance is key. Third, ensure proper draining to help mitigate any potential water damage and consider the flow path of the water to prevent it from reaching expensive and essential equipment. By taking these precautions, you can protect your equipment and ensure smooth operations. For more information on safeguarding your DI systems, contact us today.